Get a feel for the 2016 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: fog lamps, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, driver vanity mirror, bucket seats. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.